No, bro, you never come to Kingston yet. I don't know Kingston. The newly renovated downtown Kingston. Cause don't you never look so. Don't you never look so nice one time, so. Alright, so this is as far as I walk the Carolina Falls. So I'm to show you a little bit of what's happening. Not much. Yes, you're correct. Mafia, OG Mafia, yeah, you're correct. Over the open, over the close, you know, easy. You know, Sister Storm, the last time, Hurricane Bertha mash. I saw your name Burial. Hurricane Burial mash up the whole over there. Them now go open up no restaurant today. So you dey home cook food. Him might open it? Him not open. You open the restaurant? Oh, him said no. I asked him said no, he not open the restaurant. Hold you, girl. May I hold you? The breeze now blow. May I make you breeze take you? May I hold you? We're being scolded. Wow. And then this is. Oh, we are going again? King Street? Okay, so then this is King Street. This is downtown Kingston on the waterfront, Courtney.